We're here at the start of the Mount Murchison track. We're basically standing on the Anthony Link Road and the track leads straight up. It's a 5-hour return. Look forward to reporting. Just about 20 meters off the track and it's already fabulous. The terrain is amazing, the smells are fantastic. I'm just grateful that it's not wet because this track's pretty rugged. Lots of roots, really slippery already. Fantastic diversity in the flora. These pandani are linked back to Gondwana. There's a number of them beside the trail. After about 25-30 minutes, we get up to subalpine, out of the forest, and we can see where we're going. After about an hour and a half, we're at the base of the climb proper, and then off into the distance we can just make out Lake Plimsoll. On the way up the mountain in a little gully is a stand of Kingbilly pines, another ancient remnant from Gondwana. As always, when you're climbing, you keep stopping to take photos of the view as it gets more and more spectacular. Deciduous beech are Australia's only deciduous tree, and they only grow in isolated pockets in Tasmania. Getting close to the top now, at the razor's edge. Forgot to charge the GoPro over the phone. Looking north to Lake McIntosh and then east towards Cradle Mountain and Lake St Clair National Park. In amongst that is Frenchman's Cap hidden away, the Tooth Fairy looking very pleased with herself, and Shaded Lake surrounded by cliffs. The topography is breathtaking and never ceases to amaze me. It's another hanging lake that feels at times you could nearly do some cliff diving down into it with that close to it. Going down always feels a little bit precarious. Not sure how well this captures just how close to the edge we are. Blue tongue lizard. Hopefully he'll stick his blue tongue out. There we go. He's pretty quick for a fat fella.